Got a cranky refrigerator or a moody oven? Ace Appliance Repair Specialist is here to help. Since 1991, Ace Appliance Repair Specialist has been the go-to for reliable and expert appliance repair in Sussex, Wisconsin. We specialize in washers, dryers, ranges, ovens, refrigerators, dishwashers, and freezers. Have peace of mind knowing that our prompt and reliable service extends to Waukesha, Washington, Milwaukee, and the surrounding areas. But don't just take our word for it, our satisfied customers say it all. Trust us to keep your appliances running smoothly. Say goodbye to appliance headaches. Call Ace Appliance Repair Specialist in Sussex today and experience the best in home appliance repair.